He refused. Then he asked, 40 months? He refused to answer. Then he asked, 40 years? Then he refused to answer. Dead bodies will grow like plants. There is no bone in the human body except the neck bone. It is a small bone, like the tailbone, from which the human being will be regenerated on the day of resurrection. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith, number 338. A group of Chinese scientists proved in their laboratory that it is impossible to completely dissolve the umbilical cord, the last part of the tailbone. They tried to dissolve it in the strongest acid, tried to burn it, tried to break it with blows, and also tried to burn it with different types of radiation rays, but all this failed. Allahu Akbar. Millions of blessings on the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him.